In the field of new-energy vehicles, the precision and reliability of every core component are crucial. New energy gears demand extreme requirements for lightweight design, strength, and assembly accuracy. RIUGOR Company, with its exquisite wheel manufacturing craftsmanship, showcases extraordinary capability. Its core process wheel drilling and tapping is a concentrated embodiment of precision quality. Precise positioning, using high-precision CNC equipment ensures the accuracy of hole location and perpendicularity, providing a reliable foundation for hub motor assembly. Smooth tapping, thread processing is smooth and burr-free, ensuring that connections remain secure under long-term high torque, eliminating the risk of loosening. Efficient production, leveraging automated production lines and intelligent management enhances processing efficiency, strongly supporting the rapid iteration demands of new energy vehicles. RIUGOR safeguards vehicle safety and performance with its drilling and tapping technology. Every new energy wheel is our commitment to quality, driving a green future.